Well, I think I love talking about what intelligence even means, right? Because intelligence is the capacity to learn. It's not what you
Right.
know, right? So the odds are dolphins, sperm whales, other kinds of whales, maybe elephants. First of all their brains are bigger. So theoretically, just in the way understanding that a brain is a computer at the end of the day, it's made up of organic circuits, but it's still a computer. It's about processing information. Dolphins, whales, elephants, probably a handful of other species likely have more capacity to learn. But getting back to this biological imperative concept, their circumstances didn't give them the free time to advance. Also, not having opposable thumbs hurts. Not having, you can't farm in the ocean because you can't build structures. Everything's moving. So you got to keep on the move. They've been stuck in essentially hunter gatherer status, but they could easily be as smart as our counterparts, from caveman days. I mean, and understand as much and have as complex of societies. In fact, we see dialectal differences between orca pods around the world that they don't understand each other. They speak different languages, right? There that level of complexity exists. The reason why I say none of this matters, truly, is that, and it gets into our technology. What we're working on is uh, human beings are made up of relationships. We're built on relationships. It starts at your mother, then your father, if you had a father in your life, and then maybe siblings as well, and then extended family. Everything we learn, everything we have a basic iOS system on us. Eat so you're not hungry. You don't even know what to get the concept of it. You just feel a feeling, take care of that feeling, nurture that feeling. I mean, baby humans, as you both know, having children are useless. I mean, they've got nothing going for them. And then you teach them stuff. You start downloading new apps, if you will. You start downloading new programs. You go over and you build the knowledge base, and then at a certain, it never stops. Every day we're learning something new. There's some new experience. There's some new thing that folds in. Most of those experiences come from other human beings. The conversation you have, a teacher you had, a relationship you have, and you learn how to be a person based on those unique experiences. And so what I'm sort of putting forth with our company is, if we're able to capture the dynamics of those relationships when it comes to the relationships you care about preserving forever, what is the real difference? If you're being stimulated in the same way, and that entity, that program, that database is being fed by you and some external factors that we put in there. We do continue information flows that matter to your relationship. What is the difference? I'll probably never meet either of you in real life. Our relationship will exist completely virtually. Maybe we'll follow each other on the social medias and we'll tag each other and stuff, and maybe I'll come back on or you guys will come on my podcast. But the odds of us ever embracing or shaking hands or whatever is really low. We live 3,000 miles away. We're all busy guys. Does that make our relationship not real? Does it make it a not real thing?
I understand what you're saying. I think I get it. And what I question is that I believe you're doing the mechanics of a relationship. You're adding a dimension to the mechanics of the relationship. You're using AI to help. And I think that's interesting. It's intriguing.